Alright, what is going on, guys? So today we are working on my buddy's Focus ST, Tyler. And we're putting on, where's your parts at? Right here. We're putting on, this is your throttle body spacer. And then the intake manifold spacer. And then also what I have is the oil catch can. And some of you have been wondering, do we know how to do this? No.
No, we do not.
But
we're gonna figure it out.
Yes, we are. So should be. So for the first step, it tells us to unscrew the clamp for the throttle body. And was it CJ? Is that where you got it from?
Boomba.
Boomba. So Boomba suggests that you do both the throttle body and throttle body spacer and the intake manifold spacer at the same time.
Good job memorizing those.
What?
Good job memorizing those.
Tried, yeah. It's hard. The YouTuber life, bro. This one right here.
Okay.
The map sensor.
Yeah, and
there should be another one right here.
Okay, so that's gonna be hard to confuse those two.
Not really. They can only go in one way.
That's what I'm saying. It'd be hard to confuse them.
Now that we have that off, and Tyler's logic is once we get the intake manifold off, how's it gonna come off?
Yoink.
Just yoink it off. Yoink. Alright, now we're gonna disconnect the intake manifold, so you gotta take off 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth one right here.
We don't care about torque specifications.
We will when we put it back.
Oh, there actually are specifications.
Yeah.
They try to change out the headlights.
Oh, did they break yours?
Yeah. It came like that. The moment I went to go put those LEDs in, I noticed that the...
Where?
one of these is broken.
You sure?
Yeah, one of them.
Mine's broken. I don't think it's yours.
One of them is broken.
That one's not.
That's it.
Oh, this one.
Pull that sucker straight off.
If mine's not that bad. Yep, so that's all disconnected now. Now there's some like clamps that we have to disconnect too. So like there's this one.
Hang on.
This one right here you have to disconnect.
I'm trying to get this past there. Wait a second. Whoa, what happened there?
It's fine. It can. I took mine off on accident though.
Did you get it back on?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
but it doesn't stick on as well.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I don't think mine's ever gonna stick on well. Look at that.
Loosey goosey. Oh. Yeah, mine did that too actually. You're fine. It's fine.
Remember that it goes there.
Now, how did I take that thing off? Because we have to take off that clip here.
Put that around there.
I did that, but then there's also a clip on it.
Well, now it'll wait, that's not part of the motor mount.
There's a clip there.
What are you talking about?
Oh, wait. I guess,
That's
yeah,
not
we
part
could
of
actually do that. Okay.
Did you take yours
Well,
off?
no, there is a clip right here, this gray one.
Where?
Sorry, I forgot.
Oh.
That gray one right there. Get it!
Where's the... It's gotta have a little pinchy thing, right?
I think it might have a pinchy thing. Everything has a little thingy.
Alright. That's funny. What the hell am I pulling down there? Oh, that's my throttle body spacer.
Mm-hmm.
My throttle body. How'd you get yours off? I guess you've never taken it off. Or did you?
No, I did. I think there's like a clip.
It should be a clip on the gray part, right?
That's what it looks like. Yep.
Nice.
Yep, so there's a little clip back right there where my shadow is.
Gotcha. Well, it shouldn't be an issue now because it'll clip back on.
Yep. What do you mean?
On that.
It just oh. No, that's good. Where's that flathead?
You can't. Here,
Hold that again. Hold that again. Because then we can hit that tab. Hold on. Now I can hit this tab.
Throttle body's out.
Hit that tab.
I can get my finger on there. Hold that down.
There it is.
Got it.
Now.
Hang on.
It should pop off.
Pop right off.
Sure.
Where's it got to come out?
Yeah, try and take that out.
Okay, hang on. Hang on. Stop.
You stop.
Can you get that with pliers?
Yeah.
Before I lose it. I'm not coming through. Oh, there you go. Come through here. Got it. It's like rocket surgery.
Okay. Then there's also
Is there another one to pull out?
that white one right there on top. And that's
So that one is ready to pull?
yeah.
Nice. That's it.
Sweet. So now we can put that white one back on top.
Hang on, there's another thing down here that must be.
Yeah. Hold on. This is what I was talking about when I did my video. This thing sucked to take off.
Okay.
Because I didn't try and take it off all the way. Come on. Hold on.
Did you get it?
No.
Alright.
I'm trying to take it off.
Wait a second, do I have to take... Let's unmount this. See how it's pulling right there?
Oh, yeah.
Did you unmount it?
I didn't take mine all the way off, but we could probably just pull it off because there's like...
This is push pin.
Yeah. Hold on, let's see if it slides back on. Move this closer to me. Keep moving it closer.
Yeah, it looks like it will. There it is.
Okay.
So pull it your way.
Cheese and rolls. Oh wait, no, I did take it off because I looked through here, that little hole, and I pushed it through that way. See, look, that little hole. I just pushed it through. Alright guys, as you can see, we took out the intake manifold, disconnected a few things.
I had it.
Now we gotta finally take off, like I was showing in my video. You can look back, I'll leave the link in the top up here somewhere, but there's this green connection, and you're supposed to save that, but then take off this hose because you'll be getting a new one with the oil catch can, and it's
A pain in the ass.
pain to get off, but you don't want to break the green. So he's actually doing a pretty good job actually right now, prying it. Mine surprisingly pulled off.
Doesn't
Kind of
surprise me.
nice. Focus. Focus.
STE. Sorry.
Mm.
Ouch.
Yep.
Did you have this problem?
No, I told you mine was easy.
Dude, what is wrong with this thing?
So here is the Steeda throttle body spacer.
We got that one because it's like rifling on the inside, whereas the matching Roomba one for my intake manifold spacer didn't have that.
And it's gonna go right between the throttle body and the intake manifold. As you guys can see in here, here's a prime example of why you need a oil catch can, because of that oil that gets through your intake manifold into your...
Clean. I mean, that's just what was sitting in there tonight after a whole bunch of stuff already rolled out.
You can only imagine.
What's being pushed through it when your turbo hits.
Yep, with 30,000 miles you have on this, or 40,000?
30.
30,000, and 30,000 miles of just straight oil going in there.
Already.
Not a whole lot, but it's still a
Builds
little
up.
bit. It builds up over time. That's why these cars are known for walnut blast.
What the hell's that?
They clean your heads. They walnut blast your heads so that gets all the carbon deposit taken off, carbon buildup.
Dink. Look at that. Look at all that oil. Let's make sure. Because there's a rifle that's supposed to spin in a certain way. Because it doesn't matter as long as the air's already spinning. Yoink.
Alright, so here is the Steeda throttle body spacer put on there. It looks clean, looks good. And yeah, you guys aren't gonna believe this, but so I was charging my phone and your boy dropped his phone and shattered the screen. So here's what it looks like. And the picture definitely does it justice. That thing is messed up. So it looks like I'm making a Verizon run tomorrow and getting a new phone. Dude, that's so annoying. But yeah, here we are again. So intake manifold spacer's going here. Throttle body spacer's going down there. And then we're also putting the oil catch can on in this Focus ST. Man. Tough day, man. Tough day. Alright, now that we have the Boomba plate on there, right now it just sits on there because then what actually locks it in place is when we put the intake manifold on. It'll squeeze onto there with these new bolts that he has. And now we're going to put on and connect the oil catch can on from there, that green connector, into the can, which is right here.
Get your PP away from me.
It's a schlong, dude.
You're watching your girl?
Yeah.
I love it. Cracks me up.
And girl's funny. Alright guys, so here it is. We have, you can see the throttle body spacers on there. The oil catch can is routed. And it's going to the correct spots. One going to the block. And then one going to the intake manifold. And then also the Boomba spacer.
Nice.
And then Boomba's ever so kind, since they have that spacer, that won't line up properly with the beauty cover piece on your motor.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's a little beauty cover.
I hate that thing.
And then you just put those on, have them going towards the back, and that way you can still have that cover on there and it still looks good. The more you know. The test fit. Like a glove. It does look really good though.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I hope you liked that content. And I just got back from Verizon and I'm recording on my new phone. I'll show you guys in a minute. Hyped about it. Disappointed about how I have to buy a new phone, but it's whatever. Yep, it is the iPhone Pro 12. So yeah, it actually is, camera is like super nice. I'll change to the it's not really zoom out. I don't know how it's called, but here we go. Yeah, big screen. We'll go back in. All right, so we got that done. I'll be uploading this video shortly. See, and like I'm saying earlier in that video when we were working, I look like a bum with this freaking caterpillar growing in my beard and everything, but yeah, so it is what it is. Hopefully you guys liked that video. Hopefully it made you laugh a little bit. But right now, of course, like always, heading to the gym. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, subscribe, share. Help me chase that dream, guys. Help me chase the dream. Appreciate it.